everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Goldie and welcome back to my vlog channel Goldetta. Now in this video I want to talk about hair, and as you can see my natural hair is all straight. Now this is what it looks like when I actually come out of the shower and just dry it with my dryer. Now I don't even have to like straighten it. It looks like this naturally. So for special occasions I prefer to really have like great hair, and I like to curl it, and I want to show you in this video how to do it. So if you're interested in this type of video, thank you for watching. Alright, let's get started. Now all the tools that you're gonna need is get yourself a curling iron. This is a regular, what is it called, 2x protection. No, that's not what it's called. This is a Remington model. What is it? CI75. My sister, this is actually my sister's because I don't own my own, and she lives right downstairs, so she's so kind as to borrow me hers whenever I need it. This one is approximately 15 years old, she told me just a couple of days ago, so you don't have to have the brand new one and the super expensive one. This one will just do fine. Okay, so you need a curling iron. What you will need is 2 combs or 1 comb, that you're comfortable with. You will need a hair clip, and then tons and tons and tons of hairspray. You use whatever you have at home. Now mine is the Balea hairspray for very fine hair, it says, for very thin hair, and this one is super strong, it says here. So this is a drugstore one. It costs like, I don't know, 2-3 euros, and I recommend using a very strong hairspray because you want those curls. We will curl strand by strand, and then we will actually spray it just to fix those curls, and afterwards we will brush them out, and hopefully then our curls will last all through the night, and our hair will look perfect, whatever occasion you're on, So yeah, let's get started. So sorry if I look away from you, but I got my mirror right in front of me. So I will section my hair, and you can do this, just by pulling, just the hair of your crown up. You don't have to be precise. There's people who are very precise, using combs and clips and whatever. You see, I just use my hands. And then you can take either thinner strands if you want more curls. I usually will, section my hair and then use approximately this amount of hair, this thickness of a strand to get started. Now what I do is, before you get started, you brush through it, but my hair, as I said, is super straight, so there are no tangles, at least one thing that's great about it. And so my curling iron has a clamp, which is, for me, it is very practical. And what I do is, there is really no can't talk right now, sorry. My day has been so long, but I so wanted to do this video for you guys. So it doesn't matter if you're going towards your face or away from your face when you're curling, So right now I'm going inwards, and as you can see, I don't hold it for long, maybe 30 seconds or so. And I go section by section, and as I said, you don't have to be super precise. The strands of your hair don't have to have the same thickness. So yeah, you see, I hold it like this, and I let go. And here's your curl. And you see, it's not too strong of a curl, but what you want to do is you want to grab your hairspray immediately. Sorry, I keep looking at the viewfinder. Because I have like 2 mirrors here and then the viewfinder. So you want to grab your hairspray immediately. You want to hold that curl. Oh shoot, my earrings. I'm going to spray everything. And spray it, Spray the strand of the hair. Spray everything because, as I said, you want these curls, to last throughout the night. You want your hair to look beautiful. So yeah, and as I said, I don't have too much hair, so for me it is a bit easier. So I can't show you what I'm doing on the back, but I will continue to, as I said, I will take the curling iron, I will put it, then I will pull my hair above it, and just slowly, you know, take it all the way around. And again, I will push the clamp closed and then I will pull it inwards. But you could pull it outwards if you prefer that. I mean, it really, there is no difference. And so then again, I will hold it for, let's say 30 seconds. And I will let go. And again, just spray it. You know, just spray it because afterwards we are going to, afterwards we will be brushing all our curls out. So this is because, as I said, I don't have too much hair. So, so this is my last strand of hair. So I will take the hair and I will go around. But let me just see if I want to go from, no, I want to do it like this. Or maybe it's too thick. It's too thick. I want them to really look good. So yeah, we'll do it like this. But as I said, like in theory, it is very, not just in theory, it is also very easy. Make sure that the first time you go around the iron, you're closer to your, in this case, to your ear. But be aware, don't burn your ear because this has happened way too many times to me, you know. And then I pull down the clamp and I hold for 30 seconds. So onto the top hair or the crown hair. Again, section it. Now my biggest problem are my bangs, but we will for now, you know, just pull them up. Oh shoot. We'll just pull them up and you can see it doesn't have to be very orderly. You just make sure you get them out of the way so you can continue to curl. Okay, and then again, take a strand and go curl by curl. And you see I wrap my strands around and then I let loose of the clamp. I hold the end and I curl towards the head. You know, so I curl away from the face. And then again, hold it. It's quite boring actually. So the whole process takes me, before I bore you any longer, the whole process takes me approximately, I don't know, I'd say 30 minutes, 35 minutes. And you're ready to go. So comb through your curls. As you can see, I like them, they're beautiful. And so then, but that's just my style, is I usually take a bobby pin and I will lift one side. So my part is here on this side, on the left, on my left side. And I will take a bobby pin or two and just lift this part and pin these strands of hair up. So let me just show you. And then of course, if you don't like the bangs, you can go in again with a curling iron. But I like them. They look funny, and they look a little bit like Marilyn Monroe, and I love that style, especially because I love wearing red lipsticks, or red lipstick in general, and I love wearing beautiful black dresses and red dresses. So I'm that type of girl, and so this hairstyle definitely goes with my style. And then again, you know, take a second mirror, you know, grab a second mirror and then check on your curls in the back, you know, are they still holding up? Do they need more spray? Do you need to go back in with a curling iron? And yeah, make sure that all the curls are in the right place where you want them to be. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something. You see, if I can do it, you can do it for sure. As I said, take your time. If you want a more in-depth video on how to curl your hair, if you want me to next time turn around and show you what I'm doing in the back, let me know in the comment section down below. And also let me know if you can curl, if you're able to curl your hair with a straightener, because I've been trying for the longest time and I failed like a billion times and I already gave up. But I really would love to know, can you curl your hair with a straightener? And if so, please let me know how you do it, because I'm really bad with doing my own hair. But yeah, that's the only hairstyle that I can actually do, and I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. It means the world to me, and if you want to see more of my content, come back for more, because there will be more coming soon your way. Other than that, can't talk anymore, as I said. Other than that, I wish you all a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Take care and see you. Bye.